Yeah, hi. So, just an update on the bike and the front brake. So, what I talked about last time was that I didn't have a chance to try it out, and of course, I couldn't give my thoughts on it. But now I've ridden the bike and I've been doing wheelies and all that good shit, so I can tell you my honest feedback. But first, let's grab a beer and just sip it. And that's some good shit. But yeah, my initial thoughts are that so you got VMX wheels and the VMX brake caliber, but there seem to be some fitment issues. All right, yeah. So, all right. Basically, what I'm thinking is that it's the brake caliper is center aligned. So I don't know if you can see it, but it's basically you need to make sure that the center of where the caliper splits is in the center of the disc. So it should be correct, and it is, but shit just happens. So this is just your battle scars. Okay, some might argue that your wheel tension might have something to do with it. I don't know. The tensions are good. I've checked it. So, yeah. Some slight, you know, it doesn't matter. Like that doesn't matter at all. But if you were to buy this product, this would be an issue for some people that it doesn't fit. But yeah, other than that, it feels good. It feels really, really good when you do endos and all that kind of good stuff. And the braking power is stable. It's responsive, and most of all, it's linear. So you really get a sense of a good feel when you brake. And that's some good shit. But other than that, yeah. So, in conclusion, I can recommend the VMX kit. Yes, truly. I can recommend it. Truly. And if you have any comments, just drop them down below or whatever. But I'll be happy to answer those. And let's see if I'll get a wheelie video or something out. But other than that, take care and enjoy the coronavirus epidemic and all that good shit. Oh, and stay safe.